This year, it is the first time that you will find it in our Ordo here in the Philippines that there is the feast of the Black Nazarene or Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno, because it was actually the last CBCP meeting where they actually promoted the devotion into a feast, no? Kaya nga po ngayon makikita mo na, and there are readings for this feast. And I guess it was a good choice, no? Unang-una, pinapaalala sa atin that at the beginning of the year, we are all, no, very enthusiastic, no? Yung iba pa sa atin, kamukha ng mga nung bata tayo, gumagawa pa tayo ng mga New Year's resolution, no? Pero ang problema diyan ay pag naglaho na, no? At kung minsan pag naglaho na yung enthusiasm natin, the enthusiasm becomes, no, a little bit of complaining, no? At pagdating ng lao, yung complaining talagang grumbling na. Kumbaga, like the people of Israel in the first reading, they were at awe when they left Egypt and they were actually saved by God, no? When they crossed the Red Sea. Pero pagtagal, they began to complain. They began to grumble, no? And sometimes ganun yung mga grasyang hinihingi natin sa Panginoon. Nung una, hiningi natin, magkatrabaho lang ako, okay na, Panginoon. Nung natanggap ka na sa trabaho, kalaunan, yung grasya ng iyong trabaho, dun na nagkakaroon ng problema. The stress of work, the inflation, that's why the salary is not actually going up, no? And many, many things. Kaya kung minsan, nagko-complain na tayo, no? We already forget that initially, all of this was a grace, no? Kaya nga, dapat ang paalala sa atin ng ating debosyon sa Senyor San Nazareno, unang-una is to have a grateful heart. When you have a grateful heart, you have lots to be thankful for and you have lots to be happy about. No? Pag nawala yung gratefulness sa puso mo, kahit na marami na yung nasa iyo, hindi ka pa rin masaya. No? Kaya nga, learn how to keep a grateful heart. No? Next is, sabi ng responsorial psalm natin ngayong araw na to, no? Do not forget the works of the Lord. Alam nyo, kung minsan tayo, focus tayo kung ano yung ginawa natin. No? Ano yung nakaka-accomplish natin. No? At pag ganun ang focus natin, no, sigurado, no, mapapagod tayo. Sasabihin natin, nakakapagod na. Ito na lahat ng ginawa ko. No? And this is sometimes the dilemma of all breadwinners. No? Ito ang ginawa ko. Ito ang pinagod ko. Ito yung binigay ko. Ito ang hirap na dinanas ko. Ko. No? It is as if it was all you. You sometimes forget the works of the Lord. The graces, the opportunity, the strength. No? Hindi ko po ini-invalidate yung ikaw ang nagtrabaho, ikaw ang nagpagod, oo. Pero tandaan natin na yung strength, yung lakas, the health that you had, all this were actually from the Lord. No? And so, we should not also forget that it was a grace from God. No? Sabi ko nga, ang daming taong nagpapagod, pero it went all to nothing. No? We should not forget, no, our farmers, especially those in the Bicol region. No? Nagtanim sila ng una, inutang yung pagtanim. Binagyo sila. Nasira. After nun, nag-utang ulit. nagtanim. Ngayon naman po, the inclement weather because of the shear line, lumubog ulit ang mga tinanim. See, kung tutuusin lang, how lucky are we already? No? Na kahit nasabihin mong pagod, hirap ko yan, at least yung pagod at hirap mo, may pinuntahan. No? Because in the end, there is people who are actually also doing their job. And then, no, pumupunta lang po sa wala. No? Kaya nga, do not forget the works of the Lord. And then finally, our gospel. No? No one has gone up to heaven except the one who came down from heaven. No? Alam niyo po, yung mga nakakabilib na success stories, lalos na dito sa Pilipinas, ay yung mga taong dumaan sa hirap, tapos naging successful. No? Hindi ganun, hindi natin masyadong kinamamangha yung mga taong mayaman na, tapos successful. No? Ang tinitingnan natin, yung marunong bumaba. No? They came from nothing, and yet now they are lifted up. No? Kaya nga po, sabi ng mga matatanda, no? Hindi naman importante na hindi ka no, mahulog o hindi ka madapa. Ang importante ay marunong kang tumayo pagkatapos mong madapa. The image of the Señor Nazareno is a Christ who no had fallen down, and yet he is not giving up. He will raise up and continue carrying his cross. For all of us who have to carry our crosses, whether small or big, let us find inspiration and hope in the Lord, that as we carry our cross, there will be many times that we will fall down, no? For many reasons. But let us not forget our hope and our strength comes from Him, so that we will actually again get up and continue carrying our crosses. Sana po lahat tayo pagpalain ng Poong Nazareno.